It's Sunday morning. I'm back with Santa. So we watched that Leave the World Behind movie last night on Netflix, and it gave me awful nightmares. Like, I dreamt that the world was over and like we couldn't like watch any Disney movies and stuff. That was actually a part of my dream. Was like we wanted to watch a Disney movie and we couldn't. It was very creepy. I fell asleep in the last 10 minutes, so I don't even know how it ended. Dad kept nudging me and being like, Dee Dee. And I was like, oh yeah, I'm awake. But I don't remember. I don't remember. So I'm gonna have to go find out how that ends from Dad. For this Sunday, we're gonna do our second Advent tonight where we light the candle and play and be crazy. And then I'm gonna tie my hair today because it's long overdue. See ya. Good morning from Dad. Good morning from Winnie. Good morning from Bro. Good morning from the naughtiest little boy in America. Don't you dare. Where's me donkey? Run, Bryan. Oh, Dad is so cute. He used the Paris Hilton egg man and made his hard eggs with pink edible glitty. And petite is the glitty. And overnight oats. Thanks. This is Kenzie Holgate going to go hang out with Miss Ashley. That's Dad reading YouTube comments. Welcome to a new segment called Dee Dee Does Things. Dee Dee is going to go dye this hair. This is the before. I don't know if I'm going to do a transition, but I will show you the after thing. But this is important because this is my Disney cruise hair. My hair looks the best 35 days after I dye it, and our cruise is in, Alexa, how many days till January 12th? She's such a Alexa, how many days till January 12th?
Friday, January 12th, 2024 is in 33 days.
33 days. So that means my hair should look perfect on the second day of our cruise. And that's Dad responding to little, as I called them, sponsorships, collaboration emails. I'm upstairs doing my hair, and look at how sweet Dad is. He made lunch and brought it up to me like a little picnic. Aww. Hi, this is Dee Dee. We're in the middle. This is the foil check-in. It's a lot of blonde coming Dad's way. Fact video. Season 2, Dad loves having 2 dogs because he really likes being able to hold them like this. Another fact. Since I was 17, I am the only person who has cut or colored my hair, minus the 1 month that I filmed Paris BFF. And Dad, who has always cut your hair?
Me since I was 16.
Isn't that weird that we just do our own hair? And also, Dad, when you get in a cleaning mood, go crazy and clean, what kind of mood do you give off?
Go.
Right, but it like makes me feel like he's like I'm
gonna murder somebody.
Yeah, and so I'm always like, are you okay, Dad? And he always has to remind me, yes, Dee Dee, I'm just cleaning. Okay, while the hair is blonding up, Dee Dee just booked our hotel. Check for the night before our Disney cruise. See you there. And 2, now I'm booking our cruise parking. Thank you, Dad. You may resume the vacuum. So Dad's making a pot roast for dinner. He's making it the way my mom does, he said. We go on really pretty cruises. I literally just shampooed and conditioned my hair. And it was like perfect timing because where are we going to go, Dad?
To Betty!
To go pick up Judy. Dad's been so cute. He's been responding. Will you take that from me, dear? He's been responding to all these emails. I have literally hundreds for like purifiers and all these silly collaboration things. But anyways, isn't my timing crazy, Dad? Kenzie is opening up. Ooh. Dusty's Advent. What is it? Good? Let's ask Dad. And now it's time for these. Go, Dee Dee, 10. Go, Dee Dee, 16. Ding! That boy is still at the computer. My hair is blonder, but the main reason I wanted to make a video is simply because you've got to see the sky. Okay, the dogs wanted to say hi, but also look at like the pinkness coming through from the outside sky. We know Dee Dee loves a pretty sky. Look at it. Isn't that a beautiful December night? Let's see if we can make the sky look better. Whatever. Yeah, it looks fake. Dad made a Susie Hampton dinner. Why do you guys do this? Why are you so cute and in sync?
Let's look down, Copper.
Such pretty Cavalier King Charles Spaniels. Winnie. Ladies and gentlemen. Wait, I forgot how to say it. Hold on. Willkommen im Advent. Number 2. A day or 2 ago, I thought, oh, great, the boob German gingerbread cookie. Welcome to the second Advent. Tonight we will be dancing like we're in a cuckoo clock, eating scrumptious cookies, and are you ready, bro? We're gonna go to Main Street to look at the lights. Is that fun? Yeah. Hopper, you cannot have cookies. Gather around the Tenenbaum. Who's lighting the first one? Bro? Come over here, bro.
You like this one? Come over here in the middle.
Willkommen im Advent.
Do you do the next one back?
Okay.
Oh, was
Okay,
that
hold on.
street?
Let me get the tray of goods. And the friends that we know are all coming out to say, Dad, me and Judy have prepared a very special presentation for you. Got this. Okay, Dad, this is something we've prepared for you. This is a story, picture it, Germany, 1847. So the point is we're gonna be German dancing, but there's a story with it, it's a fable. It's about a little boy who's stuck in a cuckoo clock and he only knows how to do cuckoo dances. Then an American girl comes to Germany to visit and she doesn't understand the traditions, she doesn't understand all the things, she only knows how to do TikToks. So the cuckoo boy is gonna show her how it's done in Germany and she's just gonna have to deal with that.
Meine Güte.
That's all we have for you this year. We're too grown up this year. Hang on, wait, pick up. Sing, Dad. Hey! You did it! You did it! How do you say that's all in German?
Das ist alles.
Winter. Did you like it, Dad? We're gonna go look at Christmas lights in the neighboring neighborhood. But at what age will you give Judy the Advent wreath?
When she has a child.
Welcome to our light tour. Alla Didi, Alla Kenzie. Look at these lights. Dad, you have to show us what your favorite is.
That first one on the corner so far.
We're just gonna take you on a tour. Ah, dead end. Just simple red.
Pretty.
Aww.
That is so pretty.
Yeah. This one is fun. Look at the Santa. Where does it say filthy animal?
Up in the window up there.
Oh, both of these are
Fun. I know this one's always fun.
Both of these houses, yeah, for Halloween are always fun. This street is insane, look.
Oh, I think this is where we walked with Holly, remember?
Yes. Look at the reindeer. Closing out Advent number 2 with Muppets Christmas letters to Santa. Signed Copper. Were you hiding from Winnie? Copper. Copper.